Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to hide apps step by step. We'll cover various methods to help you discreetly manage your applications across different devices. This guide will show you how to enhance your privacy and keep your digital space organized. We'll explore techniques for both Apple and Android operating systems, ensuring you can effectively conceal apps from your home screen and app library. For Apple devices, you have several straightforward options. You can easily remove an app from your home screen, sending it directly to the app library without deleting it. For an extra layer of privacy, you can move apps to a special hidden folder within the app library, requiring Face ID or a passcode to view them. You can even hide entire home screen pages for a truly minimalist look. Android offers diverse methods for app concealment. Many devices feature built-in settings allowing you to hide apps directly from your home screen and app drawer. For sensitive applications, you can create a secure folder or private space, often protected by a separate lock. Additionally, third-party launchers provide extensive customization, including options to hide apps and even change their icons or names for ultimate discretion. Beyond basic hiding, consider advanced techniques. Some apps can be disguised as ordinary utilities, like a calculator, revealing hidden content only with a secret code. Custom launchers allow you to change app icons and names, making them virtually undetectable. For even greater separation, create multiple user profiles on your device. Remember to regularly review your privacy settings to ensure your apps remain hidden and your digital life secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.